Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take a look at the light strip extension kit here from Elgato, but more importantly the light strip connector set. I've seen plenty of videos on the light strip on YouTube, and I started using it. I had one of those, but I wanted a light strip extension and perhaps a light strip connector set so that I can use the extension after I cut it. Can I do that? I don't know. I certainly lack information on that, and even Elgato's website will light on these details. So this is not going to be an unboxing video as such, because I think unboxing and Elgato light strip, there's already plenty of videos of that, but I'm just going to take it out here without spending a lot of time investigating what's in the box. And while I do that, you could always choose to hit the like button and subscribe button and think about if you want to leave a comment. So let's just toss this on the floor. I didn't realize there were a bit of unboxing video ever. Anyway, that's probably to mount this. I forgot about that. So let's take a look at the extension here. Another. And as I said on my secondary channel, I did some mounting of my Elgato wall mount, camera wall mount. So you can always check that out if you want to see that. I'll put a link in the description and just about everywhere, you know, all the usual places. So this is, can we see that, the connector for extending this one. But the problem is I only need a fourth of that to extend to my existing configuration. Yeah, I even need less than that. And then all of this will be useless, which is a shame, because once I mount this one on back of my pinball machine, I do need that extended as well. So I was wondering, what does the light strip connector set actually do? I could not find much information on that. The polarity is important, of course. Plus to plus, or the DC line needs to be the same. Clip to clip and clip to pin connector. That was what I was hoping for. Right, so these are good at putting things around in a bend around the corner, or if you need to rearrange them. Good stuff. And what I'm really hoping for is all of this, and for that we'll zoom in some more. So a splitter, if you need to do a split. There is, and two corners if you need to go 90 degrees. That's actually useful. And yes, this is kind of what I was hoping for. So they want me to cut it there. That's what we're going to test out now. Might be a problem when you choose to use it, and that is how the LEDs are spaced. Like we have a white here, colder white, and the RGB here, and something that's more like a warm white right there. So if you place something too close to them, kind of can see like a prism effect, because the lights are not blended together. So as it turns out, I thought I could use something around this much, but actually the first piece I need is actually have to cut it right here. So this part goes on the extension. Oh, I cut it the wrong place actually. Oh! I should have cut it here. Crap. Yeah, that was stupid. Okay, well that makes the other part really easy, I suppose, because then I can just plug this in here. Let's do that. Make sure the polarity is right. These two need to be connected together now, so. I'm really having problems. It's a few minutes later. These are connecting a bit easier than the light strip. Not that hard to connect. This one I got to fit, and there might be something obstruction in the way because I really had to push hard and keep pushing, but now it goes in quite easy. So let's see if does an entire light strip work now. It does. It has been extended. Now comes the fun part. Let's have a look at this. Let's see what the manual says here. Carefully use a knife to scrape off 5 millimeters of silicone coating from the bisected light strip. Okay, dude, I can do that. Do not cut the tracks. Yes, sir. 5 millimeters, that is this much. It is roughly to the beginning of the arrow. Can I do this? And let me know in the comments if you feel comfortable doing this yourself. This is why yet another chance to ruin this, right? So of course we need to scrape it off because we need conductivity. Let's see if this is easier to plug in. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Okay, so I have connectivity. I think this is all right. Okay. And this is really fiddly for someone with as big hands as me. Okay, this one is open. Okay. Huh. There we go. I know I'm being overly cautious. It's my first one. Then I suppose I have to try to squeeze it together. Let's remove this one and unplug this one. And now we're going to plug this one in. Okay, so let's check if this works, and I hope it does because I really like using the products and using the Stream Deck. Do not buy the smallest one, get a larger one, and automating everything. Yeah, let's see. It works. Fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe. There'll be more videos. This actually worked. I'm very happy about that. See you around. Cheers.